BJP's Bihar East candidate Payal Sarkar's car has been attacked on the day of polling. The latest incident that is being reported on a day when there have been 5 deaths reported in Bengal. Directly election related, 5 deaths in firing in different parts of Bengal. The BJP candidate's car has been attacked, we are told, in Bihar East. These are the pictures that are coming in. We're trying to get more details of the attack and to see if anybody was injured or if we have any more details. But the attack itself was reported in Bihar constituency of Kolkata. Bihar constituency in Kolkata. Rima is on the phone line. Republic TV's Rima, who's been reporting from the ground. Rima, on the attack on Payal Sarkar's car, what more do we know? And do we know who's responsible? Rima. Rima, can you hear me? Okay, seems like we've lost the line with Rima there, but just to get you the updates of what's been happening in Bengal today, vis-a-vis the violence reported from different parts of Bengal. Let me go back once again to Rima. Rima, if you can hear me, what more can you tell us about this attack?
देखिए, आज की बहुत बड़ी घटनाएं निकलकर सामने आई है, जिसके बारे में हम अपडेट कर रहे हैं। इस वक्त पायल सरकार से जुड़ी हुई ये जानकारी है कि पायल सरकार को अटैक किया गया है, पायल सरकार पर हमला हुआ है।
Sorry to interrupt you there. Rima, stay with me. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but Payal Sarkar of the BJP is joining us on the phone line. Her car was targeted. Payal, we're looking at those pictures. Where did this attack happen? And was anybody injured in this attack? Payal.
People who were in the car was me along with my guards and my PA. So no, none of us are injured, and the driver, of course, we are not injured, any one of us. Actually, we were visiting a very sensitive and difficult ward, the 142 ward. That's the most problematic and troubled area in our entire constituency. And we were visiting few very sensitive booths. So this was the third time I was visiting there, since, this was a sensitive booth and we got complaints of rigging and everything. Ratna Chatterjee came here, then she didn't let people vote, and she, filed a complaint, filed a case actually against 3 of our workers who were sitting in the booth. So we had to replace them, the 3 of them. So while there was a time gap between the replacement and the people who were already working, who had this case, there was some free time, and that time they started rigging. So again I had to go there, and while I was going back, I visited the booth for the second time, and I was going back. I saw 2-3 people on the bike, and they were smiling at my car. They were smiling at me. We were sitting in the car and we were leaving. So I already informed. Now, when the third time I visited the booth. We kind of came out of the booth, got in the car, and again the car started moving, and suddenly somebody threw something from behind. So I just heard the noise and I looked back, but I couldn't see anybody. People said that there was a bike and there were 2 people on the bike and they threw something on the car, but I couldn't see any bike. And, we just stopped the car there, of course, but thankfully none of us are injured.
Okay. And do you know who was responsible? Has your party identified who was behind the attack?
See, I'll tell you something. This 142 words, there have been a lot of cases last night also. 2 of our BJP workers' house was kind of, people attacked their houses also. The house has been set on fire. The 2 of the kids got beaten up. So a lot of things happened last night. Still, there, people came out of their houses to vote on their own. Even the people in the family where the family was tortured and beaten up, they also came out to vote. And the vote was happening very peacefully this morning, because I have visited there in the morning also at 7:30 in the morning. But then, after TMC people started coming in, they have been threatening these people for quite some time. So there are few local TMC goons who stay there and who threaten people like that. So I think, obviously one of them must have done that. But since we couldn't see anybody, we can't take any name. But I just want to say one thing, I mean, if they think that this is going to kind of demotivate us anymore, now that time is gone. I think the battle is, we have fought the battle and we know we are winning. They also know that we are winning. That's why probably all these things are happening.
Okay. Thank you for speaking to Republic TV, Payal. That's Payal Sarkar, the candidate whose pictures are on your screen. Her car was reportedly targeted. Now, the visuals of the car also on your screen, where you see the back shield of the car, windshield of the car at the back has been shattered. She claims she was attacked while she was on her way to the booth. We'll continue to get you all the other reactions and also the different incidents being reported from Bengal. This morning, 5 people have been killed, died in firing in Bengal. That controversy also one of the headlines from Bengal today.